Legends of Learning presents the Shape Factory game. This is a math game that makes learning about classifying two-dimensional figures into hierarchies fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, visit the notorious Shape Factory where two-dimensional shapes are gathered, refined, labeled, and neatly organized based on their traits and characteristics. Take your first shift as a new employee and learn about triangles, quadrilaterals, parallel sides, right angles, and much more in this captivating pipeline adventure. Use the mouse to click to select different shapes to meet the criteria for selecting the correct characteristics of different triangles, quadrilaterals, and other shapes to move on to the next level. Read interesting facts about shapes and learn more about different characteristics of different shapes. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.